so there is a 20 kVA AVR, and I'm now coming to test it to see what really is the fault. Then you can see if you can do some repair trial and fix it. So I have my single phase connected here. This is the live cable and this is the neutral cable. So I'm going to connect it over here so that I can get power going into the system so that we can see what really is the cause. Okay, so switch it on. Okay, so I think there is a switch over here. This is what is happening. I see that the indicators are blinking, even though you can see the reading 217. Seems like a low voltage, but let's see if we can fix it. And this is shaking. So that's the automatic voltage transformer or the trial. You can see this part of it is not stable. So let's see if we can do something about it. Okay, so looking at the way the fault is, what we are going to do right now is that I can see that this part of the current transformer is very dirty, so we need to clean them. We need to clean them very well. If not, there's no way that it is going to work. So I have here my kerosene. You can use petrol as well. Okay, so I'm going to use this kerosene to clean this part. So I apply a little bit of the kerosene over here. So what I'm doing right now is to clean it. To clean all. Make sure I clean all. Then after that, I have here my desodoring flask. So I'll just dip it inside like this and make sure that I apply it on top. So I think that's it. So now we can turn it on and let's see what really is going to happen. Okay, so let's turn it from the side. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's on normal. See, the indicator is normal and the input voltage is giving me 219 and the output voltage is giving me 227. So if you want to adjust this voltage, you can just come here on this electronic circuit board. You see this part, you just put your screwdriver inside, a flat screwdriver like mine, and you adjust it. For me, I like it like this. The 227 voltage is okay for me, so I need to leave it like this, and I think we are done with the job. So this most common faults with AVR, and if you can do this, I think you are good to go. So thank you for watching my channel.